How to turn off Pluto TV notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off Pluto TV notifications on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off Pluto TV notifications on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the settings application here. Once you launch the settings app, you want to simply go to the option known as notifications and then tap on it. And once you tap on notifications, you can simply look for the Pluto TV application over here. So you can just go ahead and look for Pluto TV here, and then you'll find the option called allow notifications from the top. Just turn off the toggle next to allow notifications to turn off Pluto TV notifications. Once you do that, you can also just go to the option known as series suggestions, and then from here again you have to look for the Pluto TV app. So just make sure to go to the P tab here and then look for Pluto TV. Turn off the toggle next to Pluto TV and notifications will also get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off Pluto TV notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.